Good morning, my dear students. So today we have the last lesson of this unit we're going to study. It's about the length and thickness of a wire in a circuit. Now we have to learn two new words here, the word pressure and resistance. But before we go into them, let's look at this example to understand it even more. Here we have four children watering the garden. The pressure of the water is coming from the faucet. Here, each faucet in equal amounts. So each one of them has the same pressure of water. Now, because of the pipes they are using, each one of them, the water is getting different resistance. Resistance means pushing against, trying to stop or slow down, just like a resistance. So let's look at the first boy, this boy and the blonde girl. Now, both of them have different pipes. And let's look how much water do they have. Now Vossi, this boy, doesn't have any water. Why? Look at his pipe. It's very long and it's very thin. So the pressure of the water will get strong resistance. Okay? And then look at Mary. She has way too much water. Why? Because her house pipe is short and it's very thick. So when the water flows inside it, it's not gonna get any resistance from the pipe. So she can get lots of water. Now let's get to Sam and Pomla. Look at them. They have almost the same thickness of the pipe. But what's the difference? The difference is in the length. The girl has a shorter one, so she can get lots of water. Why? Because the water from the faucet doesn't have to travel a long way, just a short way, which means less resistance. And Sam, the water from his faucet has a long way to go. Here, it has a long way to go. Here. So he gets less water than her. Now let's try to apply this to circuits. The faucet will be our battery. The pipes will be our wires. If we had the same amount of electrical source of a battery with four different circuits, each one of them has different wires. The shorter the wire is, the more electricity we get. Why? Because there isn't much resistance. And the longer the wire is, the more resistance we get, so less electrical current we get. And the more thick the wire is, the better the electricity flows. Why? Because there is enough room and enough space for the electricity to flow. And what we have learned from this lesson, that changing the length or thickness of a wire in a circuit will change the strength of the current.